Hi, my name is Adriana Caro, and this is my introductory video for Mod 1. A little about me: I was born and raised in El Paso, Texas. I received my bachelor's from the University of Texas at El Paso. I recently received my master's from K-State in educational leadership. Soon after gaining my teaching license from UTEP, I accepted a job offer at Horace Good Middle School in Garden City, Kansas. This will be my 7th year teaching English language arts. I am also the yearbook sponsor, and I coach instructional volleyball. A little about the demographics in our building. We serve roughly 700 students in our middle school, and about 70% of them are classified as economically disadvantaged, and about 48% of them are classified as English language learners. How do my school administrators demonstrate knowledge of federal and state school laws or school board policies? First and foremost, I think they demonstrate their knowledge through conversations with teachers, parents, and students. They participate in meetings, specifically special education meetings or IEPs, to make sure that all students can succeed in the classroom. I also think that in their leadership role, they make decisions, for example, allocating funds to appropriate sources. I was made aware that school funds come from various places and are pretty much restricted to what they can be used for. They also, our administrators also make sure that we're doing our best to provide a safe learning environment, so they create emergency plans and have drills to make sure the entire staff is compliant. Finally, at the building leadership team meetings, they lead the meetings, making us aware of items we need to complete or create for the KESA accreditation process. My personal knowledge of federal, state, and school laws is rather thin and very restricted due to what I deal with on a daily basis or whatever it is that I'm involved in. I am aware of the special education laws regarding students on an IEP or 504, so I can help them be successful in my classroom. I'm also aware of emergency procedures needed to keep students and staff safe. We went through the ALICE training. And also, as part of the building leadership team, I am actively involved in the KESA accreditation process. There are many statutes and regulations outlined for the school to be accredited, and as a team, we've worked towards achieving them. Finally, I am also aware of some school board policies that affect my classroom. One, for example, is the electronic device policy that was implemented in our district. Following this policy is incredibly fundamental to keep our students safe due to not only the distraction it causes in the classroom, but also due to cyberbullying and even child pornography. Now, finally, my plan to build on my current knowledge starts with this class. I also hope to make connections from our class material to activities that are set out by our building leadership team. I think if I stay actively involved, I will understand and be able to apply some of it, or even have conversations with my colleagues about school law. Finally, I believe that the only way anyone can grow is by asking questions. I'm very lucky in that I have great building administrators who believe in leadership capacity and involving teachers in any way possible. So as part of my master's from K-State last year, I was able to take on more leadership roles in the building, and I was able to learn vastly from my administrators. All right, that's it.